If you've got a website and your articles are not optimized, meaning they're not performing well in Google, then you want to check out this tool, Neuronwriter. In this Neuronwriter review, I'm going to share with you a series of videos that's going to show you the best way in order to use this tool and why I like it so much. And I'm also going to share with you how you can get this for $67. That's lifetime, that's not per month. So Neuronwriter is for optimizing your website's content for Google. You can see here it's an advanced content editor. So it's assuming that you've already got content written. It's going to look at your NLP, Google Search Analysis and competition data. And it's going to use all of that within its dashboard, which we can see here, in order to produce optimized content. So if you've got some content written, maybe it's not published yet and you want to make sure it ranks and the SEO is sorted, you can use this tool. Same as if you've already got content in your website, but you want it to rank higher, you can use this tool. Now, the equivalent that you might have heard already would be something like Surfer SEO, but that's around $50 a month. As I said, I'm going to share with you at the end how you can get this for $67 for life. But if you miss that lifetime deal, then you can actually get Neuronwriter for €19 a month on the bronze plan and €37 a month on the silver plan. So considering it does pretty much what Surfer SEO does, but for a lot cheaper, then this is definitely something I recommend you check out. In this video, we're going to go through the dashboard. I'm going to show you how to set up your project. And then in future videos, I'm going to show you exactly how you can optimize the content. So if you're interested in that and you want to catch all of the videos, then subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of that. So here I am inside of the dashboard. This is what Neuronwriter looks like. So you can see I've got the dashboard here. Now I'm in the free account. I want to show you what you get with the free trial. So I put my website here and I'm just going to click on that. I can only have one project. You can see I've already written an article and had a go at using the content writer, and I'm going to write a new article for my website. So I'm going to click new query, and into here I need to put what I would like to rank for. So I've already written my content. I actually use Peppertype. Peppertype is one of our favorite tools here on the channel, and so if you'd like to know more about Peppertype, you'll be able to find a link to their videos that we've done on this channel, and you'll be able to find out how you can get tons of free credit, so you could create articles completely for free with Peppertype. But what I want to rank for is Bernese Mountain Dog weight, so that's the phrase I put in there. There are advanced settings if you would like to use them that you can check out, so for example any additional keywords you want to rank for, but I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to click start. Then you can see we've got our article inside our content writer. I'm going to click on this. It takes a few minutes to load. As you can see, the action is at 18%. So we're going to let the software do its thing, and then we'll be able to open up the article writer and we'll be able to see where our article is currently ranking. Now, the reason we use one of these softwares is that when we use something like Peppertype that produces content for us, or Sonic, something like that, the software doesn't have the ability to check certain things. So for example, if we're going to rank in Google, now that's fine if you are creating a lead magnet, maybe you're creating an email, maybe a newsletter, because you don't need those to rank. But if you want to rank, you need to use some kind of tool that's going to assess how well you're ranking. And this is what Neuronwriter can do for us. So now that that process has run, we have got here our competitors, and I really like this feature of Neuronwriter because what it does is it allows us to pick which are the pages we want to try and rank higher than. So for example, something like Wikipedia you might want to take off because you're not interested in trying to find out what they're writing about and do better. I'm looking at specifically weight as part of my query, so I want to know things like growth, breed information, facts. I don't just want a general website. So I'm just going to go through these, have a look, and then pick the 10 that I want to rank for. Same thing, that there might be sort of like a blog in here that I'm not really that interested in competing against or getting the SERP information from in order to be able to write the best article possible. So I'm going to stick with those options for now, and then I'm going to hit next. You can obviously take more time and go into more detail. What's going to happen now is the program is going to run, and it's going to go to that content writer that we saw here and give us all of the information that we need in order to help us be able to rank. Okay, so now you can see the content writer, content generator is up, and what we've got now is we can see that I've got a score of 9 at the moment. This is the article I wrote in pepper type that I've cut and pasted across, and hopefully you can see now it's really clear why we need to go through and we need to optimize this. If this was going to be a newsletter, if it was going to be in an email, then all I would have to do is read through, make sure it's not plagiarized, make sure it's factually correct, make sure that there's no duplicate sentences, do that quality control, and then I could publish it because I'm not trying to rank. But this content at the moment, I cannot just cut and paste AI content and rank. It won't work. If you want to learn more about the process we go through, then we have a course known as R.O.C.K.E.T, and we have some free training as well. You can find links to that in the description. But what I need to focus on now is getting this score up from 9. The competitor's best score is 69, so that is the score that I want to beat. If you want to learn more about exactly the process that I go through in order to be able to do that, then all you've got to do is click the video on the screen right now and you'll be able to watch part 2 of this training series. I did say that there would be an option to get this for $67, and that is the first link in the description. If you're already convinced you want to get Neuronwriter, click that first link.